In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create an administrator user account on Windows 11 computer.
Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video.
To create an administrator user account on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Computer Management. In Computer Management, expand local user and groups, click on Users, and here you will find an default administrator account and it's disabled by default. Now I am going to create an administrator account. Right click on empty area, click on new user, and then type the username.
I'm typing the name David and type the full name David Johnson and type the password. Confirm password. Here user must change
Password at next logon. By default this option is enabled, and if you want you can disable this option. Just uncheck it.
I'm selecting password never expire. Now click on create. User account is created. Now click on close. This is the David Johnson user. By default, the user is created
As a standard user, and you need to make the user administrator. To make the user administrator, right click on the user and click on properties, and then click on member of tab, and here you will find only users group is added. That means this user is the standard user. To make it admin, click on add icon and then type the group name administrators. Now click on check name and the administrator group is selected here. Now click on OK, and the administrators group is added here. That means from now this user is the administrator user. Now click on apply and then click on OK. This is the easiest way to create an administrator user account on Windows 11 computer.
This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.